Hi everybody, it's Claire from Claire's Food Haven. Tonight I'm going to be making homemade cheeseburgers. These are so easy to make and delicious. So my first step, I'm going to be making enough for 2 people. I've got 500 grams of mince. I'm going to put this in half and store the other half for a different meal later in the week. I'm going to take 1 egg and whisk it in this bowl. And then I'm going to finely chop 1 small onion. I'm going to add the onion in with the egg and the beef. Put some salt in, a little bit of tomato puree, a few garlic granules, going to mix this all together. I'm going to make 2 burgers out of this, so I'm going to put this in half. And just press down a bit. There we go. And put them on the plate. Cover them in some cling film and put them in the fridge for 10 minutes. The patties have been cooling in the fridge for about 10 minutes. So the next stage is to put the hob on, put that onto 4, get that heated up with a little bit of cooking oil. Take the cling film off the burgers. There we go. Hardened up okay. So I'm just going to heat that pan up before I put these on. And in the meantime, to go with the cheeseburgers, I'm going to grate some cheese. This is lovely. This is Galloway mature cheddar cheese, bought in the local supermarket. Plenty of cheese there for 2 cheeseburgers. The pan's been getting nice and hot for about 5 minutes now. So I'm going to carefully put the burger onto the hot fat. And cook them for about 3 or 4 minutes before flipping them over. Burgers have been cooking away for 3 or 4 minutes. They're sizzling away nice. They smell amazing. Already the onion and the garlic is starting to... So I'm just going to flip them. Holding the shape okay. Continue cooking those for a few more minutes. Just going to turn it down to about 3 on the hob. I am going to flip them again. Oh, that one's broken up a bit. That one's doing a bit better. That's good. It's cooking nicely all the way through. Whilst those burgers are finishing off, I'm going to put the grill on. Put it up to quite high, 200. I'm going to prepare the burger buns and put some cheese on them to put under the grill. I'm going to toast them for a few minutes. The bread's been cooking under the grill for a few minutes. I'm going to turn off the hob, turn off the grill and dish it out. bit of ketchup on each burger. And there we go, homemade cheeseburger. You could serve this with the homemade fries I made last night in the air fryer. I'll put a link in the description.